Samsung Galaxy A31 has been launched in India yesterday. It is a successor to the phone Galaxy A30s, which was launched late February in 2019. The new Galaxy A31 has a teardrop front camera setup. It comes with a MediaTek Helio P65 chipset and has a quad camera setup. Now let us talk about the specifications of this phone. It has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with an aspect ratio of 20:9. The processor on this phone is a MediaTek Helio P65. It has a quad cam setup, that is a 48 megapixels primary camera, an 8 megapixels ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixels depth camera, and another 5 megapixels macro lens. It has a front facing camera of 20 megapixels. The battery on this phone is a 5000 mAh battery with a 15 watt fast charging that comes in the box. It comes with single RAM variant, that is a 6 GB RAM with a storage of 128 GB, which is expandable up to 512 GB. Samsung recently released M11, which has a hole punch camera which is similar to the Samsung S20, but this phone, which is quite expensive than the M11, doesn't have a hole punch camera. It has a teardrop camera on the front, and I guess that is what missing in this phone. If this phone would have had a hole punch, that would be better. Samsung has taken a step down by putting a processor that is a MediaTek Helio P65, because a lot of competitive smartphones have been using Qualcomm, and I don't know why Samsung has not been using Qualcomm. The touch and feel of this phone is similar to what you see in M series phones, which is not quite impressive, because this being a bigger version and the costlier version than the M series, this is the A31. I expect it to be good in hands, but it is not as expected. According to the reports, the Galaxy A31 features a polycarbonate glass-stick real panel. It is very similar to what you have already seen in the M series and A series. It is not as premium as A51, but it is okay. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor and it runs on Android 10, which is based on Samsung's One UI 2.0. The screen resolution of this phone is 1080 into 2400 pixels. It has launched in India with a price point of Rs 21,999 with 4 color options. Let's see what the 4 options are. If you are looking to buy this phone, I would really recommend you to go check out the Realme 6, Redmi Note 9 Pro. This phone is quite expensive than all the recommended phones, because Samsung is all about quality but not the quantity inside of the phone. So yeah, this has been me. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.